Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make these delicious candy apples. If you want to learn how to make these, stay tuned and I will show you how. For the ingredients, I'll be using 5 apples. You can use up to 6 for this recipe. I have already washed them and dried them. That's very important. 3 cups of regular sugar, half a cup of Arroz syrup, which is a light corn syrup, 1 cup of regular water, and I'll be using bamboo sticks that you see on the right, but you can use the lollipop sticks also. I'll be using red food dye. This is the gel kind, and I'm going to be using cinnamon oil, but you can use any kind of flavored oil that you like. There is many varieties out there. To begin with, I am adding the sugar to a pot along with the water and the Arroz syrup. I am not turning on my heat at this point. I'm going to wait until I mix this in together. So once that has been added, I'm giving this a good stir. And once I know that this is all mixed in, that is when I'm going to turn on my heat, and it's going to be at a low. Well, you can do like a medium low. You just don't want to burn the sugar. Insert a candy thermometer, and we want this to reach the 280 to 300 degrees. I leave mine at 280. Here it is almost there. And now that it has reached the 280 mark, I'm going to remove the candy thermometer, turn off the heat. You don't want to leave it on because you don't want to continue cooking this. I'm going to be adding in my red food dye, and I'm going to add in until I get that vibrant look that I am looking for. And I'm going to be adding my cinnamon oil. You don't have to add any oil. You can leave it plain, but I like the cinnamon. And just use a little because a little goes a long way. And here I have sprayed my baking sheet with olive oil. And I am ready to dip these babies. So once you have seen that the bubbles have disappeared, you do want to leave the sugar there until the bubbles disappear, but not too long. It doesn't take that long. And you're just going to twirl it, making sure that all that candy covers the apple. Shake off the excess and just place it on your baking sheet. And one more time. This is how I do it. Turn. Shake off the excess and add it to the baking sheet. And continue doing that with the rest of your apples. Once that's done, you're gonna just let them cool so that the candy dries. About 5 minutes, doesn't take too long. And they remove pretty easy. And don't worry if you have some bubbles on there. It's gonna happen. And what you want to do is just display them nice and pretty on something. I'm using this platter here. And these candy apples are done. I hope that you guys enjoyed my recipe. Don't forget to like, share, click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. See you next time. Bye.